Hey everyone, I'm Nishay and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how I installed these really cute long ombre spring twists, so stay tuned. Alright, now let's get into this style. I start with freshly washed and blow-dried hair and begin parting in the back. I always make the first row in the back as big as reasonably possible in order to minimize tension and save time. After I part the first row, I apply oil to my scalp and massage it in. After parting the first section, I apply edge control to the base of the section and lightly comb it through. I plait my hair about 1/4 of the way down, passing the strands of hair at least 10 to 12 times, and then I leave the ends. That's the technique I use all over my head. After parting a section, I plait my hair from the base about 1/4 of the way down and leave the rest of my hair. I made 4 sections in the first row. Here I have the first 3 rows in the back parted, which brought me to the top of my ears. The second row has 6 sections and the top row has 7 sections. From this point, I began parting in a U fashion, so I parted on the right side, then the left side, and then the back for 2 more rows. Then I parted my hair down the middle in the front and did 3 rows on each side. Please check the description box for the exact number of sections in each row. In total, I made 80 sections. The hair that I'm using is the X-Pression Twisted Up Springy Afro Twist hair. I purchased 2 packs of 1B in 24 inches and 1 pack of 2T 1B30 in 16 inches. I separated each lock of 1B in half and separated each lock of 1B30 2 times to create 4 separate strands. I insert the crochet hook into the base of the plait towards the direction I want the hair to cover. Then I pull 1/2 of the 1B strand through until the middle of the strand is under the base of the plait. Then I begin twisting. I combine my hair with one side of the 1B strand and twist to the end of my plait. From there, I split the rest of my hair in 2 and combine each side of my hair with each strand of the 1B and continue twisting down. I also add more product to the ends of my hair in order to keep them nice and slick. You can twist as far down as you'd like. I twisted until I had about 1/4 of the strand left. From here, I attach the 1B30 strand. I hold the ombre strand in the middle and align it with the middle of the open twist. Then I roll each side of the ombre hair with the 1B hair, keeping the 2 middles as closely aligned as possible. This is the same technique I used in my mini twist tutorial. So if you haven't checked that out, please feel free to watch that video to see a very detailed explanation on how to do this technique. Once the ombre hair is attached to the 1B hair, I add a little gel to my fingers and continue twisting to the end. Here's the install technique again. As I'm twisting the hair, I don't rope twist the hair tightly. The wave pattern of the Afro twist hair is what creates the springy look to the twists. However, I do rope twist tightly when I am attaching the ombre hair to the twist. Otherwise, I let the wave pattern do the rest of the work to create the look of the twist. Here is a close-up of what the twists look like at the base. To set the style, I use the Shine and Jam Magic Fingers Braid Setting Mousse. I apply a generous amount to the roots and along the strand to where my hair ends. I tie it down and apply more mousse to the bottom half of the twist and put it in a large bonnet. And here's the final look. You cannot tell me this style isn't giving absolute fall vibes. And that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. All of the links and details for the products I used, as well as detailed technique explanations, are in the description box below. If you like this style, please like this video. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. God bless.